Children, here is a continuation topic of chapter mangoes round the year. So what we have learned in the previous part 1, so we have seen how does the food get spoiled and what are the ways that how can we preserve the food, and not only that we have seen what are the methods of preservation. Now let us go with the next topic. So here are some of the uses of raw mango and ripe mango. As we have seen in the part 1, both, that is raw mango and ripe mangoes, we will use it for eating. So here are some examples what we use it with the help of raw mangoes. So we make chutneys, we make pickle, we make amchur, we make panna and squash. And not only that, children, ripe mangoes we use it for juice, shake, ice cream, mamidi tanda, jelly, candy. So these are few of the things which we make with the help of mango, if it is raw or else if it is ripe. Now, here we are going to learn an interesting story. So, in this interesting story, we will be learning how the Mamidi Tandra, that is Aam Papad, is made. So, let us join Chitti Babu and Chinna Babu in the story and find out how does an Mamidi Tandra, that is Aam Papad, is made. Here, Chitti Babu and Chinna Babu live in Atrayapuram town in Andhra Pradesh. So here it's an interesting thing. Near to their house, there were a mango garden. So these two brothers, that is Chitti Babu and Chinni Babu, used to play in summer holidays. So in these summer holidays, you already know that in summer the trees will be full of fruits. So Chitti Babu and Chinna Babu likes eating mangoes. Not only that, these two brothers used to love eating unripe mango by just adding salt and chili powder. So at home, so the mother of these two brothers used to cook unripe mangoes in different ways. She also makes many kind of mango pickles. So children, the mother of Chitti Babu and Chinni Babu, she used to make pickles. So this pickle used to last throughout the year. So not only that, here I have added few of the things which we can make with mangoes. So here is an ice cream, juice, panna, and here is a dessert, that is ice cream, sweet, okay, juices. So papad. So these are the things which we can make with the help of mangoes. So one evening, what happened is, while having food, Chinni Babu asked, what did he ask? Amma, we have so many mangoes. Make some mamidi tandra, aam papad from them. So he is requesting mother that, mom, please make aam papad. So we are already having many mangoes. When he said this, father listened to this conversation between Amma and Chinna Babu. What did father said? Making Mamini Tanda needs 4 weeks of hard work. What did he say? If you both promise to help us every day for the next 4 weeks, so we can together make Mamidi Tandra. So when they listened to this, both the brothers agreed quickly. Next day, both the children went to the market with their father. So when they went to the market, they bought a mat woven from the leaves of palm tree. These poles of casuarine tree. Strings made of coconut husk, some jaggery and sugar. So the next day early morning, they got up. After getting up, they went to the market. After going to the market, they have bought some mat woven from the leaves of palm tree. Not only that, some poles of casuarine tree and string made of cotton husk and some jaggery and sugar. Children, are you able to see how does the casuarine tree will be? So they will bring this casuarine, these poles of this. You are able to see the poles over here. So they bought the poles of casuarine tree. Not only that, they bought a mat So what was the mat made up of? The mat was made up of palm tree leaves. And not only that, children, they bought some strings of, you are able to see some coconuts here. They bought some strings of coconut husk, some jaggery and sugar. So children, here Mami Tandra, the aam papad is an Indian fruit leather made of ripe mango pulp. Some of the other names of these are given here. In Hindi we call aam papad, Telugu we call Mamidi Tandra, Malayalam we call Manga Thera, Bengal maximum of the states will make this papad. So the names are given below here. What happened after bringing these all? Amma found a sunny place in the backyard. So after finding the sunny place, both the brothers made a high platform. So by using poles, which poles, children, here? Shrine poles. They spread out and tied the mat on the platform. So the mat, which was made up of palm trees, so they tied to those poles and they made a high platform. So after making that, what they have done, we'll see. Next day, what they have done is Appa has chosen the most ripe mangoes from the garden. See, they took out the mango pulp. You can see he's choosing the ripe mangoes from the garden. So he took some mango pulp in a large pot. So after collecting that in a large pot, what they have done, they stained the pulp. So pulp is juice. They stained the pulp in a large pot through a fine muslin cloth. So why did they stain the pulp? So there will be some fibers which are not used. So to remove those fibers from the mango, they are going to stain with the help of muslin cloth, which you can see in the picture clearly. After that, the Chitti Babu and Chinni Babu crushed the good. You can see that here they have crushed the good. Till there were no lumps. What do you mean by lumps? Like it shouldn't be in a form of solid pieces. Completely it should be powdered. They added the jaggery and sugar in equal amounts to the pulp. So the pulp which they have collected in a large container, they have added both the and jaggery into the pulp. After that what they have done, Chinni Babu mixed the jaggery. You are able to see the picture here. Chinni Babu mixed the jaggery and sugar well with a big spoon. So after that what Amma has done, they spread this pulp in a thin layer over the mat. Thin layer was left to dry in the sun. What did again it happen? In the evening they covered the mat with a clean sari. They cover it to avoid any dust. Again, next day what they have done? The next day they again took out some mango pulp. They added jaggery and sugar into the pulp. Then they spread the pulp over the previous day layer. So what they have done? Yesterday they made the first layer, no? Again on the second day, one more layer they have placed on it. Both these work was done by both the brothers. Both of them together spread many layers over it. For next 4 weeks they hoped that it would not rain. So if it rains, the aam papad gets spoiled. It shouldn't rain. So they did this for next 4 weeks. After 4 weeks they added layer after layer until the jelly grew 4 centimeters thick and looked like a golden cake. So they did this for a long time on and around. So here you can see the layers of those. So how many layers they made it? So they made a lot of layers. Minimum of 4 centimeters it should be. So the Mamidi Tanda is ready. We can make it out and cut it into pieces tomorrow. Mamidi Tandra was ready. Now it's only a time where they need to cut that in a pieces. Today the mat was brought down from the platform. So Mamidi Tandra was cut into small pieces. The brothers tasted it. So when they tasted it, it was wow. It was very good in taste. So not only that, they were saying like, after all, we also helped in making it. So that is the reason it is very tasty. So this is how aam papad is made. So the next I am just showing you the process of making of aam papad in a simple way in just 10 minutes. So if possible, try to make this aam papad and enjoy eating the aam papad.